Point number 1. Java is a high-level programming language that was first released in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Point number 2. Java is a popular language for developing web, mobile and desktop applications. Point number 3. One of the key features of Java is its platform independence. This means that code is written in Java can run on different platforms without modification as long as Java Virtual Machine is installed. Point number 4. Java is an object-oriented language, which means that it focuses on creating objects that interact with each other to perform a task. Point number 5. It is also a strongly typed language, which means that data type must be defined explicitly and cannot be changed at runtime. Point number 6. Java is used in wide range of applications from enterprise software to mobile apps and games. The JDK is set of tools. JDK means Java Development Kit is a set of tools that developers use to write, test and deploy Java applications. Point number 8. The Java Standard Edition, Java SE, is a core platform that provides the foundation of developing and running Java applications. Point number 9. Java also has a robust community with a wealth of resources available to developers, including documentation, tutorials, and open source libraries. And last, point number 10. In recent years, Java has continued to evolve with new features and updates being released regularly.